let me show you a couple of documents. Let me set the scene what we're going to do. In our sales department, I'm not saying computer care, we might be in a position that as a sales manager, I want to create uniformity. I want to have a standard proposal template that's used by everybody. At the moment, everything's unique, everything's created from scratch, or the last one I use as search and replace names, but I'm not too happy with the quality of our proposals. I want to have a proposal template that everybody uses. So here we got it. So management summary, a little bit of context, what that should include, because Copilot is going to read that information and create a management summary for me. Requirements, high-level summary, existing environment, customer preferences, blah, 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 in scope, out of scope, milestones. And then I'm going to ask Copilot to fill in these tables, of requirements, deliverables, assumptions, blah. God blimey, that's a complicated one. But anyway, salespeople don't have to worry about it. They don't have to worry their cotton little socks. Yeah, we're going to get all this done for them. Now, all the salesperson's got to do is take notes. Where's that document? Where's my little document? I'm looking at client notes. There we go. All the salesperson's got to do is collate their notes and put it into this table. Yep, called client notes. Customer name, date, existing environment, all the information they got. For example, they've got 2,000 users globally, across mainly in UK and US, what their preference is, what's out of scope, milestones. They want the project starting Easter, finished by July, that kind of stuff, all that good stuff that a good salesperson will gather and glean from their meeting. Anyway, so I've got the client notes and I've got the template. What I want Copilot to do is to read the notes and complete the template for me. So let's see how we do that. I don't think I've explained that very well, have I? But let's go with it. So I'm going to create a new document, blanket, hit the Copilot, and this is the prompt. Again, quite detailed. You're a technical pre-sales consultant, so I'm telling Copilot the persona it's got to adopt, you need to complete the proposal for the client. You have completed the requirements capture document client notes, blah, blah. We just looked at that. I can't be bothered to read all that out, but using the template document we just looked at as a template, create the proposal document matching the content in the client notes. It talks about the content, So what are the documents? Here we go. So I'm going to put something in here. So what are the documents I wanted to reference? I wanted to reference the client notes, which we saw, and also the proposal that we saw, the template. This is going to be like magic. To salespeople, sales managers, this is going to be better than magic. Hit the generate button. So what it's going to do, it's going to smash together the client notes into the template and create for me a cracking proposal I can send off to the client. Here we go. It started. It means to go on. This document, here we go at the top here in the management. So this document is a proposal for MF International, the customer, to engage computer care for professional services related. Now, I might want to delete the customer in brackets and provider. I don't like all that third-party stuff. Shouldn't be there. The proposal is based on the requirements capture document, right? The scope of the project is to conduct a funded security assessment, all that good stuff, and then it's complete and it's a little bit about who computer care is down the bottom. Oh, here's an interesting one. The total cost of the project estimated to be $50,000. I don't know if you saw in the prompt, I didn't point it out, that I give it a constraint that the cost is going to be less than £50,000. There you go. Requirement summary, customer preferences, what's in scope, what's out of scope, milestones, The start of the project anytime after Easter needs to be completed by end of July 2024. Loving it. It's all great stuff. And here we go. Look at this. It's completed the table for us. Requirements document, If you look at all I gave it was a shell of a requirements table. Yeah. Oh, what have I done? Yeah. Ah, right. And what it's going to done is completed that requirements table, completed the deliverable table, completed the assumptions, and so on. Okay. How cool is that? Sales people haven't got to bust a gut and say, oh God, I can't create another proposal and I'll just send a brief email off to the customer with some costs, yeah, and try and cut corners. Now we can introduce standards, yeah, in the sales department using templates and making sure everybody works in exactly the same fashion. That will, I think, it'll improve closure rate, and it'll certainly save time for the sales team. Music to the sales manager's ears. Anyway, that's it. That's over. So we've looked at, that's the demo's over. So we've looked at the HR department, creating job specs from nothing. Marketing, we looked at editing, refining the e-bike, using it to come up with some LinkedIn posts, creating a user manual from the product specification, creating an e-shop for the launch of a new calendar of events, and then the sales proposal. That's just looking at Word using Copilot. We haven't looked at the other stuff. Anyway, super exciting, huge opportunities. Hopefully, it's setting up some light bulbs in your head.